If you think ECs are slow burners, wait till you see these 6 EC that exploded in price. All these EC has one thing in common: the early buyer make the biggest gain, and the next wave is coming in Woodlands, Sembawang, Bukit Panjang, Pasir Ris and Tampines. Tampines Trillion launched around 551 PSF, now over 1,835 PSF. City Life at Tampines, about 470 PSF at launch, resale hit 1,703 PSF. 100 Palms, from 799 PSF to over 2,000 PSF today. Park Life, launched around 706 PSF, now averaging at 1,562 PSF. Rainforest in Choa Chu Kang, from 572 PSF to 1,567 PSF today. Wonderville started around 688 PSF. Recent resale crossed 1,630 PSF. Comment EC2026 or DM me, and I will show you which location to watch out and how to get ready before launch day.